Hi, I'm Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software to help you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into Avontus Designer and we're going to create a steel tube, scaffolding tube for your stencils so you can drag and drop and use it whenever you need. Let's get started. Right, to make some steel tube or aluminium tube for my stencils, I can pull out a beam. I'm going to fill out this dialog box. So for this one, I'm going to make a 6-foot tube. I'm going to bring it off my drawing page by 2 meters. 2 meters. This is just a reference point, as obviously the start point, end point, or if you don't get these correct, it'll be like a diagonal. I'm going to change it from a box to a tube. The height, obviously that's the thickness of my tube. So it is 48.3 millimeters. That'll be the same, so that'll be 48.3 millimeters. The wall thickness will be 4 millimeters. I'm gonna have it at the bottom again. Don't need to worry about the rotation. I'm not worried about that at the minute. Right, I need to reference it to a 6-foot tube. So I click on here. This is just so when I drag it out my stencils, it'll always reference a 6-foot tube in my bill of materials. So I need to change the colour so I can see what it is. I'll go for that colour, click apply, click OK. Now let's go into his model and you can just see it. And there you go. There's my steel tube. And let me go into my bill of materials. Yep, 6-foot tube, so that's worked. Now I can drag it over, change the name, and now every time I pull it off, it'll add up on my bill of materials. I hope this helps. If you did enjoy this video, please stay tuned for more to come.